Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to withdraw your money from G2G platform. So guys, follow this video step by step. Let's get started. First guys, to withdraw, go to G2G platform, and after that you click on payment, and after that you will withdraw funds existing payment account, or you can create new instead, and you which add the new payment account and select the payment gateway listed, or change currency for your country currency, and enter all your information and submit. Create a new payment account. After that, when you're ready to withdraw, select your payment account and enter your amount you want to withdraw. For example, this amount, this balance, and this amount you want to withdraw, guys, as you can see here on the screen. Click withdraw option. After that, guys, what you have to do, just double check your information, and you make sure double check your information. After that, guys, what you have to do, you receive your payment request number upon submission, and to view your payment ID, click on your available balance here, and you see your payment, as you can see here, payment active ID. Just click this one and just go, guys. What you have to do, go to payment, create a new payment, and then from here enter your amount, the balance, and your details. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.